Dear children, today we have to learn in standard 8 subject social science chapter number 5. The name of the chapter is Revolutionaries of India. Now dear children, you know very well that in the previous lecture we have to learn about Ashfaqullah Khan as well as the Chandrasekhar Azad. If you have to see about the Ashfaqullah Khan, then we can say that Ashfaqullah Khan and Ram Prasad Bismarck had set the example of Hindu-Muslim unity after they were the childhood friends. Same way, we can say that he too was hung in the prison on the same day as Ram Prasad Bismarck. And two lines they were given that written by the Ashfaqullah Khan that कुछ आरजू नहीं है, हे आरजू तो यह रख दे कोई जरा सी खाके वतन कफन में. After also we have to learn in the previous lecture, dear children, about the Chandrasekhar Azad. His real name was Chandrasekhar Sitaram Tiwari. He was born on 23rd July 1906 in Baura village of Alirpur district of the Madhya Pradesh. When he was arrested for the first time, he was so young that the police did not have a handcuff of this size. At that time, when he was asked his name, he said Azad. He told that his father's name was a freedom and the resident was a prison, and after that he became the popular as a Azad. So dear children, today now we have to learn about the Bhagat Singh. So dear children, today we have to learn about the Bhagat Singh. Now, first of all, dear children, they have given that Bhagat Singh was born on 28th September 1907 in Banga village of Lyalpur district of the Punjab. Now, what happened there, dear children? They have given that Bhagat Singh was born on 28th September 1907. We date 28 September 1907, underlining here, in Banga, village of Lyalpur district in the Punjab. He studied the European revolutionary movements. Now what happened then, dear children? Here they have to given there the Bhagat Singh was studied the European revolutionary movements and was attracted to the anarchist and the Marxist ideology. What they have given there, dear children? They have to given that he was maximum attracted through the Marxist ideology. He became the involved in the numerous revolutionary organizations. What happened there, dear children? Here we can say that Bhagat Singh was involved in the numerous revolutionary organizations and quickly rose through the rank of the Hindustan Republic Association to become the one of its main leader. He came in contact with Sukhdev, Bhagat Charan and the Yashpal. The what happened that, dear children? Here they have given that Bhagat Singh came into the contact with Sukhdev, Bhagat Charan and the Yashpal while he was studying into the Lahore National College. Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt. Now dear children, underlining what happened that here they have to given that Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt throw a bomb in the Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. What they have given that, dear children? They have given that Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt throw a bomb in Legislative Assembly on 8th April 1928. And their main objective was to draw the attention of the British government. Why the Bhagat Singh and Battukeshwar Dutt throw the bomb in Legislative Assembly on 8 April 1928? Because their main objective is there to draw the attention of the British government. They could have escaped after throwing the bomb, but they stood there. Now what happened, dear children? Here they were given that they could have escaped after throwing the bomb, but he could not escape. They stood there and shouted the slogan like "Inqilab Jindabad" after Samrajyavad ka nash ho, दुनिया के मजदूर एक हो. Which kind of the slogan are shouted by the Bhagat Singh dear children? Here they have given the slogan that इनकलाब जिंदाबाद, साम्राज्यवाद का नाश हो, दुनिया के मजदूर एक हो. This kind of the slogan was shouted by the Bhagat Singh in the legislative assembly. They disappeared the pamphlets with the revolutionary message. What happened that dear children? They have given that they have also disappeared the pamphlets with the revolutionary message. Fire shots in the air and then surrender themselves peacefully. Now what happened that here? They have given that fire shots in the air and then surrender themselves as a peacefully. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru killed the British officer. The name of the British officer is Sundar to avenge the murder of the Lala Lajpat Rai. What they have given that here? They have given that Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru killed the British officer. The name of the British officer is Saunders, the murderer of the Lala Lajpat Rai. The trio was hanged on 23rd March 1931. Now what happened there? The trio it means three guys. Bhagat Singh, Sukhdev and Rajguru was hanged on 23rd March 1931. The trio was hanged on 23rd March 1931. Now यहाँ पे बेटा आपको पंक्तियां की गई है भगत सिंह. Here they have said, दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत. What they are saying that dear children, they have given there, दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी से भी खुशबू ए वतन आएगी. What they are saying there? They are saying that दिल से निकलेगी न मरकर भी वतन की उल्फत, मेरी मिट्टी भी खुशबू ए वतन आएगी. This quote was given by the Bhagat Singh. Now next one dear children, they have given about the information of Shyamji Krishna Varma. What Shyamji Krishna Varma? Now Shyamji Krishna Varma was born on 4th October 1857. What they have given the dear children? They have given that Shyamji Krishna Varma was born on 4th October 1857 in Mandvi village of the Kutch. Where? In the Mandvi village of the Kutch. He was the pioneer of the revolutionary activities of the abroad. Underline it. We can say that Shyamji Krishna Varma was the pioneer of the revolutionary activity they have done in the outside of the India. It means in the abroad. He graduated from the Oxford University. Shyamji Krishna Varma was graduate from the Oxford University. He played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society. What happened that dear children? Here we can say that Shyamji Krishna Varma, he played a vital role in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society on London on 18th February 1905. In which day? On 18th February 1905. Its office was in his house. And it was given the name as the Indian House. For the propagation of his institution, he started one magazine is entitled, the name of that magazine is the Indian Sociologist. The name of the magazine that Indian Sociologist. Shyamji Krishna Varma was associated with. Now what happened that dear children? They were given the name of that the Shyamji Krishna Varma was associated with Vinayak Savarkar, Hardayal, Madanlal Dhingra, Sardar Singh Rana and the Madam Kama. This all persons are associated with the Shyamji Krishna Varma for regarding with the revolutionary activities. He arranged the scholarship for the Indians. In 1909, Madanlal Dhingra shot the dead Sir Williams Valley. What happened that dear children? Here they were given there. Madanlal Dhingra shot the British officer, the William Wiley, near the Trafalgar Square in the London, for which he was hanged to death. In feeling of the unsafe in the London, the Shyamji Krishna Varma shifted to the Paris. After some time, he shifted to the Switzerland and he died in 1930. And what happened that Shyamji Krishna Verma was died in the 1930. Next one, dear children, they were given about the Madam Kama. What? Next one, they were given about the Madam Kama. Madam Kama was born on 24 September 1861 in the Mumbai. What they are given the dear children, they were given that Madam Kama was born on 24 September 1861 in the Mumbai. She stayed in London from 1902 to 1907. What they were given the dear children, they were given that Madam Kama was stayed in the London from 1902 to 1907. In 1905, she was an associate of Shyamji Krishna Verma in establishing the Indian Home Rule Society. What they were given the dear children, they were given that the Madam Kama, she was an associated with the Shyamji Krishna Verma for establishing the Indian Home Rule Society. She was presented in the Second International Socialist Conference held in Stuttgart of the Germany in 1907. What they are given the dear children, they were given there Madam Kama, she was present in Second International Socialist Conference, and this conference was held in Germany at the Stuttgart in 1907. In this conference, she unfurled the tricolor flag with the slogan Vande Mataram. What they have given there, if they have to given there, she unfurled the tricolor flag with the slogan with the Vande Mataram. Thank you, dear children.